Hey guys, it's Nolan from Trade and Train. So, did you take this trade? Okay, what trade am I talking about? I'm talking about Pound USD, or also known as cable. Okay, if you are in our free Telegram group, around about 8:15 yesterday morning, we posted this chart of Pound USD on the daily time frame. And we said to you, okay, Pound USD, top of our watch list, looking for a rejection. Okay, look at the price action. We've got price in an ascending channel. It's made a new high. It's at the top of the channel. Plus, it's at horizontal resistance, daily horizontal resistance. You can see what happened there. Price rejected. We're in exactly the same level. So this is why it was top of our watch list. Looking for sellers to enter. Okay, so this was the chart. This was Pound USD. Look what happened on that day. Actually, the day that we posted the chart, we had that sellers came in. Okay, so we advised you well ahead of time what potentially could happen. Obviously, in trading, nothing is ever 100%, but great area to look for sellers. So that's what we were doing. Sellers came in, and today, what's happened? More sellers. Okay, this is actually live right now. But in case you missed the trade yesterday, we put this image of Pound USD. This was another, 8 o'clock this morning, somewhere around then, telling you if price breaks yesterday's low, look for further downside. Look what happened. It broke yesterday's low. We've got that further downside. Okay, so this is why we said, did you take this trade? Because we gave you loads of notice. Okay. When charts are in certain areas, like this one is, when it's at the top of a channel at resistance, you've got to be looking for setups like this. Now, I'll show you how we actually got into this trade yesterday morning. Once we'd said it was top of our watch list, we were looking at this particular pair like a hawk, and we got this bearish engulfing bar. Now, this isn't any normal bearish engulfing bar. And what I say about an engulfing bar means it breaks the high and the low of the previous, at least the last previous candle, and it closes below. But this particular 15-minute candle engulfs all of these candles. Okay, if you look, if I just I'll draw a horizontal line there, and I'll do another one here. This is in between the engulfing bar. Look how many candles it actually engulfs. I'm not even going to count them because it's going to be ridiculous. The more candles an engulfing bar engulfs, the stronger it is. Okay, so engulfing bar. Then we saw, in fact, let me just do that. This is what we saw. Engulfing bar. Bearish flag pattern, little correction pattern like this. We sent it out to all of the traders. We said, right, this is called a CTL, or a counter trend line. Look for the first 15-minute candle to close below the CTL, and then look to trade. Boom. That's the one we were looking for, and that was the sell setup. Short. So you go sell stop below the low of the candle, stop above the high, target, for instance, 2-to-1. Okay, 2-to-1 trades or positive risk reward trades are always good to take. Much better to take than 1-to-1s, and the reason for that is, okay, if you take 10 1-to-1 trades, you have to be right at least 6 times out of 10 to make money. Okay, when you take 2-to-1 trades, then out of those 10 trades, You only have to be right 4 times out of 10. So you can be right less times than you're wrong, or you can be wrong more times than you're right and still make money. This is the beauty of great risk to reward trades. So anyway, there was the setup, and we need to get triggered in on the next candle. Otherwise, we just close it down. Okay, so we get triggered in, assuming that selling momentum continues. And that's exactly what happened. We got triggered in. Okay, we have an impulse down, pull back, impulse down, pull back. Price moves up and down a little bit. But remember, this is a 15-minute chart. Okay, 15 minutes. So, and there, 2 to 1. Very, very simple stuff. Because, you know, price was in the right area. You know what you're looking for, and you're just waiting for it to happen, and then you look to trade it. Very, very simple trade. In fact, let's just close that. This is actually what happened, and this is live right now, actually. So from that 15-minute trade, you know, you are 3.43% up. Literally, guys, you know, if you can make, even if you can make 2% a week, that's fantastic. 2% a week would be fantastic. Why? Well, you only need to make 6% a month to double your account in 12 months. As long as you keep the money in the account, you don't take any out, your account will double if you make 6% a month. So if you can make 2% a week, that's 8% a month. You can keep that 6% in, and you can withdraw that 2% and spend it. So another, you know, 2%, brilliant. Think about 2% trades, or good risk to reward when you're taking your trades. So anyway, this is pound USD right now. Let's have a look at it, because, you know, we are within this flag. We've started to sell off. Look where we've come into. A little bit of what I would call soft support. Okay, so look for this to break tomorrow if you're an intraday trader. Look for this to break, a little pullback, and potentially further moves down to the bottom of the channel. Will it actually go to the bottom of the channel? We don't know. You know, like any trade, once we place the trade, we don't know what's going to happen. But look for price action to let you know that those sellers have come back in. Look for a little pullback, rejection, and then look to sell. Okay. What else? We sent out this to our traders as well last night. This wasn't in the free group on Telegram, but this is why it's great to be part of, you know, a group of traders with everyone, you know, looking at the charts. We spotted this as well. With pound USD at the top of that channel, we're looking for pound to sell off. Pound Swissy was at the top of this channel last night. Okay, and this was the candle. This was yesterday's daily candle, how it closed. Absolutely perfect. We told our traders, okay, short below, stop loss, sell stop below, stop above the high. You know, you're looking to trade something like that, assuming that, you know, we're going to come to the bottom of the channel. And, you know, there we go. We are roughly about 0.7% up. So, you know, if you took that one, which is 3% up from that 15-minute trade, plus this, you're talking over 4%. And there's another trade involving GBP, which we sent out in our watch list, because we send out a watch list to all our traders of charts of interest, charts which are very liable for something to happen. Euro pound, okay, pound had come into daily support. This was the candle. Absolutely textbook rejection candle. Some people call it a high test bar, some people call it a hammer candle, but again, very, very simple to trade. You're looking for these type of candles at the right area. You're looking for these type of candles at support. That's exactly what happened. You've got the candle. Now where you want to target, let's just say we went 2 to 1 again. Don't know whether I would have gone 2 to 1 on this trade, purely because we've got this kind of downtrend here. So probably would aim for something like that, to be honest with you, just to be safe. But you know, you would have got triggered in, boom, and you'd be about 0.9% up. So really, really great day over yesterday and today for all of the members of Trade and Train. And if you were watching the free channel, you would have hopefully got involved with pound USD as well. So who knows, are we going to get any more pound weakness tomorrow? We will see. We'll continue to post charts in the free channel, charts of interest. You might have seen Kiwi dollar. We are looking at this one. Okay, this one is in a really nice area now, very close to the top of the channel. And look at this area here, where sellers come in, sellers come in, sellers come in. So decent area. Is this where we're going to see Kiwi dollar make a move to the downside? Well, we will wait and see, but definitely one to keep an eye on. Okay, definitely one to keep an eye on. Whether it drops tomorrow, whether it has another push up and then drops, remains to be seen, but high on the watch list as well. So guys, I really do hope that you made some money out of our free analysis that we give you. Make sure you are watching the YouTube videos. Okay, make sure you are involved with the free Telegram channel. Also, we have the free masterclass, which happens once a week. We do them on Thursdays and sometimes Saturdays. Look out for that as well. Gives you a chance to ask us questions. We also give you a free strategy. So really worth the time to come and get involved with that. So from me, Nolan, guys, have a great rest of your evening, and look out for more free analysis in the Telegram channel. Speak to you soon. Bye.